11-foot homemade kayak. In case you're wondering how to trim this along here, I'm gonna put the camera down here. It's gonna be a little bouncy, but I don't know any other way to show this to you. So if you notice, right down here, this sticks out too much, so I'm not gonna hold the blade all the way against that. I'm gonna use this one because this is pretty good here. And I just hold the blade along like this. Be sure to hold it straight up and down as possible. Because if you're not going to round your edges, you don't want, you want your sides to be square as possible. Alright, I will be rounding my edges. And don't try to go and do a whole bunch at one time. Just do a few inches and break it off so you can see where you are. What I will do is I will measure on this side, and I kind of measure this side here. I may have to take most of that off, or some of it off, just maybe some of it, and then add some styrofoam in here, but I won't know until I get further along. So you can see where I've been blocking it a little bit with the sanding block, which I laid down somewhere. There's one of them. You need a short one for the curves. This. You just have to kind of take your time. Because you'll be able to see where you need to take a little bit more off, like here, and just a little bit more off here. When you put it down against the bottom, don't let it rub the bottom too much. Like that, and the same thing, and I'll trim that up. But I'm trying to show you step by step as much as possible because I wanted to build one of these. They look really interesting. And there was not a lot of step-by-step. There were some steps, but a lot of steps were left out. So if you look right down the side of my boat there, you can see, let me set this down. See right about here, it's out a little bit, so I'll hit that with my long standing block. This confuses me. Oh, there it is. This is my long standing block here. So right in here where it sticks out, I'll do it like that. Try to smack the dust out of it until you can see it. There's a little bit of a curve in there, but you know, for homemade kayak, it's not going to be bad. And that's my rough line there. You see right down here on the inside. The outside, I'll square it up with a longer board. I'm going to take a board that's probably right here, the length of two of these pieces of paper, and I'll glue them end on end so I have like a 20-inch sanding board for the outsides. And I'm gonna slant it in on here a little bit, and of course I'll flip it over and slant the bottom along here, and then round out around in the cockpit, and then this will get I don't know where my piece went. There we go. This is a lid from Firehouse Subs, and it snaps on and off real easy on the barrel. I'm going to cut off the top part of the barrel, and when I cut my piece of foam here and cut a circle, I'll split it in half so I can push it together on that little barrel thing. So basically I have a snap-on lid that make this watertight up here, or you know, waterproof-ish. So all right, that's the 11-foot homemade DIY kayak. Let's see, go down the sides here. You can see the sides are pretty much, they're okay. You know, I don't know what I'm doing. So believe me, you can build one too. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more wood in here, so that's real sturdy. All right. There it is. Leave me a comment. If you got any help, I need some help. Tell me what I need to do from here, or if you got any suggestions, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment again.